Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be reviewing the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book is all about how to create and maintain good habits and how to break bad ones. So, without further ado, let's get into the review. Atomic Habits is a comprehensive guide to creating good habits and breaking bad ones. The book is divided into 4 parts, each of which covers a different aspect of habit formation. The first part explains why habits are important and how they can impact your life. The second part is all about how to make small, incremental changes to your habits that will add up over time. The third part explains how to maintain good habits and stay motivated, even when things get tough. And finally, the fourth part is all about how to break bad habits and replace them with good ones. One of the things I liked about this book was that it provided a clear and actionable framework for creating and maintaining good habits. The author breaks down habit formation into 4 key steps: cue, craving, response, and reward. By focusing on each of these steps, you can start to create and reinforce good habits that will stick. Another thing I liked about Atomic Habits was that it provided a lot of practical examples and strategies for habit formation. The author includes real-world examples of how people have successfully changed their habits and provides concrete strategies that you can use to create good habits in your own life. Overall, I would highly recommend Atomic Habits to anyone who is looking to create good habits or break bad ones. The book provides a clear and actionable framework for habit formation and includes a lot of practical strategies and examples that you can use to make real change in your life. That concludes my review of Atomic Habits by James Clear. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more book reviews and personal development content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.